Welcome to the studio. In today's teaching, we're going to study toning the canvas. Now, we've studied this in previous lessons, but I think it's worth going over again. I have received lots of comments from people just really liking the idea, so I thought we'd take another painting on. This scene is a sunset over the Grand Canyon. It's done here in the studio, but I'm going to take you through the process where I threw my wash on, and then I do what I refer to as sculpting my drawing. So I put my underwash and then I wipe away with a paper towel and sculpt the scene. I really like doing this. It gives me a great feel of where I'm going in my scene. I get kind of inspired by it and have a good starting point before I tackle the color. You know, maybe not all my values are exactly where they're going to end up, but really all this is a roadmap for me. So let's watch this time lapse of me starting this sunset scene with the wash, sculpting away, wiping with the paper towels, and seeing that drawing appear. Well, I hope you found that helpful. It's a pretty easy process. Once you do it a few times, it'll become more intuitive for you. You'll know the areas you want to wipe out and where you want to leave some of the underglow. So give this a try the next time you head to the easel. All right, stay encouraged on this journey. That's what it is. Remember, this is a lifelong process as we create these paintings together. Thanks for joining me today. I'll see you next time.